Today I'm going to show you how to store a print job on a printer if you want to save it for later, you don't have time to go get the document right away. For example, if you're going to print something to a printer and you don't, like I said, you're not going to be able to get to that printer to grab that job immediately, then you, instead of having confidential dates sitting on the printer waiting for you, you can have it stored at the printer so you can print it at a later time. This works for select HPs and almost every one of, it should be every one of our Ricoh copy machines. So first thing you do, and again, this doesn't matter what type of file you're printing, it's the printer's feature, not your documents feature. So the layout in the document is different depending on which document you're printing, but the concept is still the same. So for right now, we're going to choose a demo PDF that I have here. I'm going to open the document that you want, go to File, go down to Print, like you would normally. Once you're here, and you've selected your printer, today I'm going to use our Ricoh right here outside my office. You choose Properties next to it, and you have the printer properties. This layout will be different depending on the copy machine or printer that you're printing to at the time. They lay out differently per model. Regardless of that, doesn't matter. You're going to be looking for this job type right here. This is the key element to storing your job. Once you've got this area, drop this down, choose Stored Print. Once Stored Print is selected, then choose Details. Fill out the user ID number, ID name. So this is so you can identify your document on the printer, and then a password. This will be any password that you want, generally numeric because that's what you're going to be punching in on the copy machine. I usually use 4 digits because it's quick and easy. It's got to be something that you're going to know and nobody else will know. So when you get up to the printer, you can punch them numbers in and get your document. Once this is set, hit OK. Hit OK to this, and then hit print. And like I said, it won't print out right away. You actually have to go up to the machine, pull up the machine's information, find your document, and print it out. I'm going to show you that in the next few minutes. Let's look at what it would look like if an Excel document was there. This should work, like I said, regardless of the document. You go to File, go to Print. In Word and Excel, and PowerPoint and all that, you have these options here. Instead, you select your printer. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you a different printer so you can see that it lays out differently. This is a Trenton printer. Either way, you go to Printer Properties. Notice job type is in a different location. It will be different depending on the printer that you're at. It's just how the manufacturer made it. Still, same concept applies though. Drop this down and choose Stored Print. Once you do that, hit Details. Fill out the same 2 areas. You shouldn't need this area. The user ID and the password should be enough, and then hit OK. If you don't put in anything, it will give you that message. Once you've done so, hit OK all the way back out. And then print your document. It'll print. Once you do, it'll go up to the Ricoh, and it'll sit there. And that should do it. Once at the Ricoh control panel, choose the Print button. When the screen changes, you're going to choose Print Job. Once that screen changes, look for your job. Should be named what you named it. Once you've selected it, hit the Print button. This will give you the option to put in your password from the number panel. Once you've done so, hit Yes, and the job will print.